Today we are gonna fix Google Chrome not opening problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. Our first solution is to create a new shortcut. The problem might be due to a corrupt shortcut. If that's the case, creating a new and different shortcut will resolve the issue. To do this, right-click on Chrome and then click on Open File Location. Afterward, click on Chrome.exe and press F2. Then, we change Chrome's name to Chrome 2 or something like that. Once we have changed the name, right-click on the renamed Chrome and click on Show More Options. Then, we click on Create Shortcut and then click on Yes to continue. We have created a new shortcut. Now, we can delete the old shortcut because it is no longer needed. We can continue using Chrome by opening the newly created shortcut. As you can see, Chrome has opened. If your problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to uninstall and then reinstall Chrome. It is possible to resolve such issues by performing the uninstall and then reinstall process. To uninstall Chrome, we come to the search section and open the control panel. Afterward, click on Uninstall a program. Then, we locate Google Chrome among our programs and uninstall it. We have uninstalled Chrome. After we uninstall Chrome, the Google Chrome's website may automatically open in Microsoft Edge. From the Chrome website, download the setup file again. We have downloaded the setup file. Now we will install Chrome. Chrome is installed. You can now check whether the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.